A supercharged, ambitious ENTJ and a dreamy, sensitive INFP locked in a passionate dance of love. Sparks flying, worlds colliding, it's a beautiful mess. But, how can this power duo make their relationship last? The secret sauce is right here, in these must-watch tips. Number 1. Embrace the differences. Ever wondered how ENTJs and INFPs can turn their differences into relationship gold? You're about to find out. Believe it or not, it's your differences that can be your relationship's secret weapon. You see, ENTJs bring a driven, goal-oriented mindset, while INFPs contribute deep empathy and intuition. By valuing each other's unique strengths, you create an unstoppable duo that can conquer any challenge. The key is to accept and celebrate these differences rather than trying to change one another. So, lean into that beautiful contrast and watch your love blossom in ways you never imagined. Number 2. Communication is key. Ready to unlock the secret to smooth communication between ENTJs and INFPs? Keep watching. You've probably heard it before, but when it comes to ENTJ-INFP relationships, communication truly is the backbone of a healthy partnership. Remember that good communication goes beyond just speaking. It also involves truly listening to what your partner has to say. Take the time to hear them out, understand their perspective, and validate their emotions. By fostering a safe and supportive space for sharing, you're creating a strong foundation that will keep your love vibrant and growing for years to come. Number 3. Balance that emotional scale. Are you struggling to find the perfect balance between logic and emotions? Don't worry, we've got the answer. As an ENTJ-INFP couple, finding the right balance between logic and emotions can feel like walking a tightrope. But fear not, because achieving this equilibrium is possible and incredibly rewarding. The trick lies in learning to appreciate your partner's approach while also expressing your own needs. For ENTJs, that means understanding the importance of emotional connection for INFPs and making an effort to empathize and support their feelings. For INFPs, it involves recognizing the value of logical thinking and decision-making, even when it might not align with your emotional instincts. By finding that sweet spot and respecting each other's perspectives, you'll create a relationship where both partners feel valued and understood. And that's a recipe for lasting love. Number 4. Support each other's passions. Curious how you can help your partner's passions flourish? Discover the secret now. In an ENTJ-INFP relationship, both partners bring their own unique set of interests and aspirations to the table. And guess what? It's those individual passions that can fuel your love and keep it burning bright. So, how can you nurture that flame? Simple, by being each other's biggest cheerleaders. Take the time to learn about your partner's dreams and goals, and encourage them to pursue what sets their soul on fire. Show genuine interest in their passions, and offer your support and encouragement whenever you can. When both partners feel empowered to chase their dreams, it not only strengthens your bond but also makes your relationship all the more fulfilling and exciting. Go on, cheer each other on to greatness. Number 5. Let the planner and the dreamer coexist. Can the planner and the dreamer really coexist in harmony? You'll be surprised at what you're about to learn. The secret lies in harnessing the strengths of both personalities and using them to your advantage. ENTJs, with their goal-setting and strategic planning skills, can help turn the INFP's creative visions into tangible action plans. Meanwhile, INFPs, with their boundless imagination, can inspire ENTJs to think outside the box and see the world in a different light. By valuing each other's input and working together as a team, you'll find that the planner-dreamer dynamic can open up a world of possibilities and create an enriching, rewarding partnership. Embrace the magic that unfolds when you let these two forces coexist. Number 6. Make time for love and laughter. Want to know the secret ingredient that keeps the ENTJ-INFP relationship fun and exciting? Stay tuned. Life can be hectic, especially for driven ENTJs and imaginative INFPs. But in the whirlwind of work, responsibilities, and personal goals, it's crucial to set aside quality time for your relationship. After all, love and laughter are the lifeblood of a lasting connection. Carve out time for regular date nights, spontaneous adventures, or simply sharing a good laugh together. So, don't let life's busyness stand in the way of your love story. Make time for those precious moments that make your hearts sing. Number 7. Give space, take space. How do you maintain your individuality while nurturing a strong bond? The answer is coming right up. In an ENTJ INFP relationship, it's important to remember that both partners need room to breathe and recharge their batteries. While spending quality time together is essential, nurturing your individual interests and maintaining a sense of self is just as crucial for a healthy, balanced partnership. Recognize that it's okay to pursue your hobbies or simply have some alone time to reflect and recharge. By allowing each other space to grow as individuals, you'll find that your relationship becomes even stronger and more resilient. Trust that in doing so, you're not only fostering personal growth but also cultivating a more robust, fulfilling relationship that can weather any storm. Number 8. Keep the trust alive. Are you ready to learn how to build unshakable trust in your ENTJ INFP relationship? We're about to reveal all. Trust is the cornerstone of any lasting relationship, and in an ENTJ INFP partnership, it's particularly vital. With two different personalities navigating the world together, having a strong foundation of trust ensures that you can rely on one another through thick and thin. Building trust involves being honest, reliable, and true to your word. Show your partner that they can count on you by keeping promises, being open about your feelings, and demonstrating loyalty in your actions. It's important to be transparent about your intentions and to face challenges as a united front. Remember, trust takes time to cultivate and can be fragile, so handle it with care. By continually nurturing trust in your relationship, you'll create an unshakable bond that can withstand any obstacle life throws your way. Number 9. Learn the art of compromise. Struggling to find common ground in your relationship? Discover the art of compromise, just around the corner. With different perspectives come different opinions, and in an ENTJ INFP relationship, navigating these differences is essential. But don't fret. Learning the art of compromise is your secret weapon for finding common ground and ensuring harmony in your partnership. Compromise involves being open to your partner's ideas and finding solutions that work for both of you. This might mean making concessions or stepping outside of your comfort zones, but it ultimately leads to a more balanced and satisfying relationship. So, when faced with disagreements, approach them with an open mind and a willingness to meet in the middle. Number 10. Grow together, evolve together. Want to know how to evolve and grow together with your partner? You won't want to miss this final tip. The secret ingredient in any lasting relationship is growth, and for ENTJ INFP couples, it's especially crucial. As individuals, you'll both experience personal transformations over time, but the key to a resilient partnership is learning to grow and evolve together. Share your experiences, insights, and wisdom, and use them to strengthen your bond and navigate life's twists and turns as a team. By committing to grow together and supporting each other's personal evolution, you'll find that your relationship becomes an ever-deepening well of love and understanding. And when you've got that, you're truly unstoppable as a couple, ready to write your own unique, ever-evolving love story. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.